What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install LibreELEC on your Raspberry Pi 4. Alright, so you'll want to follow the link in the description or type in the address that you see on the screen. And you're going to want to download the SD creator if you don't have that already. This is what that looks like once you have it installed. It's the same program that you can use for your other devices. For the Raspberry Pi 4, since it's not listed on their devices, you're just going to have to do it manually. I'll show you how to do that right now. So on that downloads page, scroll down and select Raspberry Pi. Scroll down and select Raspberry Pi 4. And just download this image somewhere on your computer. Once you have the image downloaded, you can select File on the SD creator, locate the image file, and then select Open. Make sure that the right SD card is selected under Step 3, and then select Write. Select Yes, make sure there's no data on the SD card, and just wait for this process to complete. The last part is pretty easy. Just plug and play your SD card into the Raspberry Pi 4 and it will do the rest for you. That is pretty much it for this video. If you want to get started with some add-ons, make sure to visit my website and just follow any of the add-on guides I have listed there. Other than that, make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.